Want to play Dream League Soccer 2026 with the latest Brazil World Cup kit and official logo? In this video, I will show you exactly how to import the Brazil kits and logo into DLS 26 step by step. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, open Dream League Soccer 2026 on your phone. From the main menu, go to My Club, Customize Team. Now tap on Edit Kit or Edit Logo. Dream League Soccer support custom 512 into 512 PNG kits and logos for team customization. Next, open a browser to your choice. Type DLS CVF logo customize. Go to the website and scroll down. Copy the link and get over there. To add the Brazil logo, go to Edit Logo. Paste the Brazil logo URL and confirm. DLS logo files should also be in 512 into 512 PNG format for the best quality. If you get download failed, here are some quick fixes. Check your internet connection. Make sure the URL is correct. Confirm the link is in PNG. Try another browser or website. Many players also report logo issues when the logo is not embedded correctly in custom kits. And that's it. Now you can enjoy playing DLS 26 with the latest Brazil World Cup kits and logo. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.